Quad Squad is a fun thing where you get to decorate and you get to hang out with a lot of different kids that you might not have known that you would hang out with.
Quad Squad is like where you get to help out, set up like fun decorations.
We help the school to like set up stuff for like probably like parties.
So the Quad Squad is like project management, and like we like make stuff for like the upcoming like events.
Quad Squad is a project management club. I wanted to do a project management week where we planned the 4th graders graduation. So then the next year came and I was like, I don't want it to be a week. I want it to be a full year of bringing collaboration and beauty to our campus. We have a lot of family engagement events, and I wanted to increase our family engagement. And so by having our students be the ones to help decorate and create these things, they go home and they tell their parents, like, come see what we did. And it's just helping us grow as a campus. My Quad Squad right now is working very hard to come up with a photo backdrop that families will be able to take photos at, and inside my room they're actually putting together a balloon art.
I signed up for Quad Squad because you learn how to do new things and how to do art stuff. They could just help their community and they could just be really helpful, and I think they would be really grateful for helping their community.
Some of the benefits is our students are taking pride in their campus, they're taking ownership, and they're bringing their families here. Some of my kiddos have been with me since that first Innovation Week, and they were with me all last year, and they're here again this year as 4th graders. And so I'm really hoping that we can see the growth even more.